Another day, another story. Please subscribe and like Insight Labs at iLabs 365. A transistor is a semiconductor device that acts as a switch or an amplifier in electronic circuits. It is one of the fundamental building blocks of modern electronics and plays a crucial role in various electronic devices, such as computers, smartphones, and televisions. Transistors can be made using different semiconductor materials, but the most common type is the bipolar junction transistor, BJT, and the field effect transistor, FET. Here's a simplified explanation of how a bipolar junction transistor, BJT, works. Structure. A BJT typically consists of 3 layers of semiconductor material, 2 layers of one type, either P-type or N-type, sandwiched between a layer of the opposite type. The 2 types are referred to as the emitter, base, and collector regions. Biasing. To make the transistor work, a small current is applied to the base region, which acts as a control terminal. This process is known as biasing. Current flow. When a small current flows into the base region, it causes a more substantial current to flow between the emitter and collector regions. The base current controls the amount of current flowing between the emitter and collector, acting as an amplifier or a switch. Amplification. In the amplification mode, a small change in the base current can lead to a significant change in the collector current. This property makes transistors essential for amplifying weak signals in electronic devices. Switching. In the switching mode, the transistor can act as an electronic switch. When there is no base current or a very low base current, the transistor is in the off state, and no current flows between the emitter and collector, open switch. When a sufficient base current is applied, the transistor enters the on state, and current flows freely between the emitter and collector, closed switch. By using a combination of multiple transistors in various configurations, complex electronic circuits can be built to perform arithmetic operations, store and process information, and perform various functions in electronic devices. It's important to note that this explanation is a simplified version of how transistors work. In reality, transistors operate in a more complex manner and are subject to various electrical characteristics and behaviors that need to be considered in the design and analysis of electronic circuits. How a transistor work. If you like the video, please subscribe and like Insight Labs at iLabs 365.